Hey guys, it's Ed here. Today we're going to take a look at a product from Ben Murray called GramGenies. So if your reels get views but don't turn into followers or DMs, this is for you. And if you're still doing the post more reels grind and hoping Instagram eventually will reward you, that's the trap. The real problem isn't effort. It's that most people don't have a system for one, what to post for reach versus trust versus sales, and two, how to handle DMs and comments without living in the app itself. That's why this is very interesting. GramGenies is positioned as a Meta-approved AI agent system that learns your business, then helps create stage-based reels and can help with engagement DM workflows without a bot-style automation. And instead of me selling you on it, I'm going to prove it to you on screen right now. We're going to look inside how the genies are trained and what the content plus DM flow actually looks like.
What if growing your Instagram and business was as simple as releasing a genie from a lamp? A genie that learns your business, grows your audience, and creates your content and even sells for you hands-free, like an entire marketing team trapped inside one magical system. Well, that's exactly what we're going to go over in this video. GramGenies, the first Meta-approved self-learning Instagram agent system that builds living Instagram channels that self-learn and self-grow automatically and won't get automated away, unlike the generic AI fluff flooding the platform. First, train your AI genies on your business. Upload any links, brand info, and products. Then your AI genie agents learn your voice, niche, style, and audience. So every reel, every DM, every reply doesn't sound like generic AI, and it knows how to grow your specific Instagram business for you. Then turn on the auto messaging and engagement genie. Choose how you want your AI genie to interact with visitors on your Instagram page, like responding to customer DMs, like a support agent, auto replying to comments, sending links via DMs. Then the message genie will get to work, for example, auto-responding to trigger words like let's go and auto-sending a link with a message in your style and voice with a link to your offer, all fully automated for you. Next, grow with the auto-followers genie. The followers genie gets you followers most likely to buy your products with Agent Tech 100% safely. Just train it on the types of followers you want and it gets to work. It will help automate simple micro tasks that help you auto get followers quickly while staying fully compliant, attracting people likely to follow, engage, and buy, not random accounts. The Reels Genie automatically creates the right reel for your growth stage. Top of funnel videos to attract visitors, middle of funnel videos to educate and build trust, or bottom of funnel videos to get sales. Make top of funnel ultra viral reels to bring in followers fast. Enter a description of anything you can imagine and watch the AI create videos ready to go viral and attract followers in your niche. Or have your genie make middle of funnel of reels that help build trust with your audience and educate them before you sell to them. Simply enter a description of what you want created and the Reels Genie will get to work. These include AI content suggestions, done for you scripts pulling from your training that educate and inform, engaging video styles, and ultra realistic voiceovers or your cloned voice. Easily customize everything in the cloud-based editor to your satisfaction, adding text, videos, images, background music, subtitles, and more. Even create bottom of funnel videos with AI speakers that help sell your products and services. The editor makes it easy to create a talking character from anyone in any picture, assign it a voice, and have it demo and close people on your products. Next, build months worth of content with the Planner and Creator Genie. Choose what type of content you want to make, then enter a keyword or description to create a popular Instagram post from scratch. Choose dimensions and then pick your format, info posts, carousels, quotes, lookalike viral content like X screenshots or Reddit posts. Make viral content based off what's working now, not boring posts no one engages with. Choose dimensions and hit create. Easily regenerate the description. Regenerate the AI image with keywords or detailed prompts and references, and edit everything easily in the drag and drop editor. One-click schedule to social media and edit your posting schedules at any time. You can stay ahead with the Trends Genie too. Instead of reacting to the algorithm, this Genie finds what's trending for your specific business. It finds trending content and videos for you to repurpose or draw inspiration from, the best hashtags and engagement clusters to help boost your posts and make them go viral in the Adronema algorithm, and much more. Plus, launch ready-made AI agents trained in proven styles. If you want, deploy dozens of done-for-you Genie agents built in the hottest niches, each already trained in unique content styles and paired with high-converting affiliate products. With a few clicks, you can spin up a complete Instagram channel and business in a polished expert persona, fully optimized to attract the right followers and drive sales. Okay, so let's dive into the app in more detail now. To get started, create a new campaign or edit a previous one we've already started. First, choose if you want to train your AI agent genies from scratch or leverage already done-for-you agent genies trained. These AI done-for-you genies are trained on unique styles with matching high-converting affiliate products to sell in tons of the most popular niches. You can easily edit anything about them. Then you can connect web pages, upload files, or copy and paste text manually to teach your Instagram agents all about your specific style, products, and more. So it creates business-specific content in a unique style, not generic AI fluff that doesn't work anymore. Easily edit or delete training so your agents are always up to date about your business. Then integrate any profile so everything is organized under specific campaigns and clients. Okay, now it's time to start growing our Instagram and our business. Navigate to My Genies and let's start with the Messaging and DM Genie, which will automate interactions and sales with our Instagram followers. First, choose how you want the agent to interact with followers. You can build custom automations, automatically reply to comments on posts for engagement, have it act like a super smart service representative answering questions, doing things like auto-DMing links and resources to engagers. So let's choose this one, and as an example, customize our campaign. Here we can have our Genie comment and DM when anyone mentions the keyword "let's go" in a post. It will reply with this comment, then send them this message and a link to our offer. Choose to have it pull from our training for replies that sound like a human team member. Now when people comment on posts like this, we'll automatically reach out and send them to our squeeze page or offer to get leads and sales on autopilot. How do we get the followers though? Well, next let's click on the Followers Genie to automatically get people to follow us. Remind the agent what you sell and what types of followers to get using description, keywords, and specific audience targeting as well. Choose how many actions the agent will do per day to start attracting followers to your profile that are likely to buy from you, not just follow you and never engage. Then the Followers Genie gets to work building a targeted Instagram following for you 100% safely according to Meta's terms of service. It will help automate simple micro actions on a daily basis like following specific profiles, hearting or commenting on specific content pieces, all designed to attract eyeballs and followers to your profile, constantly building your following. Okay, now that we have that Genie working to start building our following, let's crank it up and produce real videos with the Viral Reels Genie. To have success on Instagram, we need to create 3 types of reels: top of funnel viral attention grabbing videos to attract followers to our account, AI middle of funnel reels that educate our followers and build trust with them with pro realistic AI voiceovers, or bottom of funnel reels designed to sell our products with strong call to action implementation and even AI spokespeople optimized to get ROI. To create your ultra viral top of funnel video, enter a description and add any references, optional images and dimensions, generate and preview the video, then download your clip or splice together several clips for an ultra viral video or story to attract followers to our profile. Now let's make a middle of funnel video. Enter a description of what you want the video to be about, dimensions, and whether to use images or clips. Your AI agent will present you with some video ideas based off of the description you entered and your training. Pick one or even add your own video idea. Edit the video title and post description and desired tags. Then preview your video script and edit it if desired, or choose to regenerate it. Select a video theme including 3D realistic, anime, fairy tale, and more to suit your brand. Preview or edit the thumbnail that will be posted, and choose to add an AI voiceover from our suite of ultra-realistic voiceovers in many different voices and styles, or clone your own voice and use that. Then you'll be able to preview and customize the final details of your video in our drag and drop editor. Preview and change around each slide image if desired. Add new AI images, custom images, or video clips if desired. Edit the text and change the style however you want. Edit the voiceover or upload your own. Add music, animations, and just about anything else you want to make the video exactly how you need. Finally, you can make bottom of funnel videos with stronger calls to action and even AI avatars. Describe what you want the video to be about. Upload any product images or examples for your avatar. Choose an ultra-realistic spokesperson or use your own voice again, and then customize this type of video however you want with the drag and drop editor as well. The Content Planner Genie lets us make Instagram posts based off what's working today to get engagement. Choose what type of content you want to make and then describe what you want the post to be about and how you want the Instagram image generated as well. You can use simple keywords to let our powerful AI engine go to work making the content, or use advanced prompting to get it exactly how you want. Choose dimensions, what template you want to create. Make Instagram posts proven to get traction, including regular informative content, X lookalike posts, Gmail lookalike posts, Reddit viral story lookalike posts, informative infographics, and more. The AI will create your post, and you can easily edit the caption if you wish. Add and upload a new image, or regenerate the AI image for it, including adding reference images to make it branded content like. Customize the post with text, emojis, images, call to actions, and more. In minutes, create months worth of high quality, unique content in your branded voice in styles that stand out on timelines and drive traffic super easily, just as much as a huge human expert agency. Then one-click schedule it to be posted on your Instagram account or download it to post manually yourself. Check when everything is posting according to your content calendar. Make sure you get algorithm love with the Trends Genie too. Enter any keyword or topic, and this Genie pulls content that's going viral for you to analyze, repurpose, or create your own videos based off of. Also, get the best trending hashtag and engagement clusters to fill your posts with, primed to help make your videos and posts get seen no matter what for the Adronema algorithm specifically. Okay, so just with those features alone, you'll be able to dominate your competition and grow any Instagram account to huge numbers with real engagement, leads, and sales. But if you can believe it, GramGenies is loaded with even more features than that. Never before has it been this easy to not only get traffic and sales with AI agents that really understand your business and your potential customers through the hottest social media network advertising platform there is, but build a real asset in business that won't be automated away and stands out from all the other AI content and posts out there. Attention is the new currency, and there's nothing out there that helps you capture it better than GramGenies.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. What I didn't like with the software is if you still want to review outputs before posting, and I'm naturally skeptical anytime a tool says safe growth or meta approved. So you should treat that as a vendor positioning and rely on what you see in the product, plus your own comfort level. But that being said, Ben Murray is a legitimate product creator and has been around for a while with a good reputation. Now let's talk about what I did like about GramGenies. In this system, it's an angle that it's built around stage-based content plus a workflow for comments, DMs, instead of being just another caption tool. And the idea that the genies learn your business's voice is the right direction if you're trying to avoid generic AI content. If the workflow you just saw looks like something you'd actually stick with, grab it through my link below, and I'll also give you my bonus bundle that I actually created just for this product. And the first one is a fast start setup map. The second bonus is a DM comment scripts, and then a 30-day action plan. And then you also get all the vendors bonuses also. So these bonuses will be delivered inside the JV Zoo after you purchase the product. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.